Or do you just throw? My hair is too. I also have a black uncle. I'm looking.
Hungry.
But the water was like all dry. I love food. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die first. I don't remember. What flavor? Lemon. What the hell is a puffin? Alright, now I have to. Okay, guys. Not. Hi, Martin. How are you?
Tired.
No.
Every time I play Valorant, my hands just freeze.
Get all the time in the world.
Oh yeah. But they got a gift. Oh my god, I thought I was either gonna. The real game will either. You guys will probably think this is so. Oh god. Hey. Alright, guys, so here. Oh god. Oh my. What happened?
Cross at that room.
Oh fuck. I died next to
Spike.
Oh. Oh god, I just ate it. OMG shop. I love. Who dat? From B. Maybe just throw a little bit. I can get it.